One day, James was sadly shunting in the yard. Just then, the Fat Controller arrived with the brand new engine. "Here," he said, "is Douglas. I've agreed to let him work here for a while. He needs to learn. Please teach him, James." "Hello," said James. "Hello," said Douglas in a Scottish accent. "Are you from Scotland?" asked James. "Proud to be," said Douglas. "Follow me," said James, and they puffed off, and Douglas followed behind. They arrived at Wellsworth Station. James puffed to the front of the train. Douglas coupled to the back of the train. James coupled to the front. "Peep, peep," said James, and they puffed off. At a crossing, a farmer's truck was broken down. He had just run to get help when James and Douglas were on their way. "Stop!" cried James, but it was too late. No one had been hurt, and soon Douglas came to check to see if James was okay. "Are you okay?" said Douglas. "It's all your fault," said James. "It's not my fault," said Douglas. "It's all yours." Just then, Douglas's driver came to speak to him. "Douglas, will you pull the train?" "I'll try," promised Douglas. "Don't worry, James. I'll soon get you help at the next station." And Douglas puffed off. "Hurry back soon," sighed James. Douglas arrived safely at the last station. He was resting when he noticed the Fat Controller was coming. "Oh dear, what will he say?" he asked himself. But the Fat Controller was smiling. "I heard that you pulled the train splendidly. After this, you deserve to stay on my railway." "Peep, peep! Thank you, sir," said Douglas. I'm actually very glad that Douglas is staying on the railway. Don't you think so too?